Now let's start our class again with the division of polynomials. Now, in case of division of polynomials, now it will be when dividend or divisor or both of the dividend or divisor are not given in the standard form. So for this, before dividing the dividend by a divisor, we have to convert this dividend as well as here divisor. Both of them are not in standard form. We have to convert in the standard form. That is, first we have to write down the highest degree term minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5. And when we shift the positions, then no any sign change will be there. Minus will not become plus, it will be as such minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5. Now this dividend is in standard form. Now see about the divisor. This is not in the standard form, so minus x square plus x minus 1. Now it is in the standard form. So, as in the previous class we have done the division in the same way, now we can proceed. So, minus x cube is the first term of the dividend and minus x square is the first term of the divisor, which gives us x. So, the first term of the quotient is x. So, minus x cube, x into minus x square minus x cube, x into x square, x into minus 1 minus x. Now we change the sign, plus minus plus. This cancel out. 3x square minus x square, 2x square minus 3x plus x minus 2x plus 5. Now our first term of the next dividend is our 2x square and it will become minus x square. So we are left out with minus 2. So minus 2. So minus 2 into minus x square, 2x square, minus 2 into x, minus 2x, minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2. So it becomes now when we subtract, the sign will change. So this cancel out, this also cancel out. 5 minus 2, 3. The degree of the remainder is here 0 and the degree of the divisor is 2. So 0 is less than 2. So our division stops. Now for verification, now let's do the verification. So our RHS of that relation is divisor into quotient plus remainder. That is, divisor is minus x square plus x minus 1, quotient is x minus 2, remainder is plus 3. Now x into minus x square minus x cube, x into plus x, x square, x into minus 1 minus x, minus 2 into minus x square plus 2x square, minus 2 into x minus 2x and minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2 and plus 3. So minus x cube plus x square plus 2x square will give us 3x square minus x minus 2x minus 3x and 2 plus 3, 5, which is equals to our dividend. So this one. Now let's move to the next question, in which the dividend is already in the standard form but divisor is not in a standard form. So what we have to do, we write the divisor as it is in the standard form in the same way, x to the power 4 minus 5x plus 6, but divisor is not in the standard form. So first it will become minus x square and plus 2. Now in the same way we have to divide. The first term of our dividend is x to the power 4 divided by the first term of the divisor minus x square. So it becomes minus of x square. Now the first term of the quotient will be minus x square. Now we multiply minus x square to both the terms of the divisor. That becomes x to the power 4 and minus x square into 2 minus 2x square. Now I have to write down minus 2x square just the side of it because there is no any like term in the given dividend. There is no any x square term. So that's why I have written just at the side of it. So minus, and we change this sign, this cancel out. Now x to power 4 descending degree will be cube. Cube is not there, cube term is not there. So now we come for x square. This x square now we have to write inside 2x square. Then we write down minus 5x plus 6. Now 2x square is the first term and minus x square. We divide it, we get minus 2. So second term becomes minus 2. So minus 2 into minus x square, 2x square, minus 2 into plus 2, minus 4. So it will be written here minus 4. So sign change, minus and plus. This cancels out. So it becomes minus 5x plus 10. Now the degree of the remainder is here 1. And the degree of the divisor is 2. The degree of the remainder becomes less than the degree of the divisor, so our division stop. Now we can start our verification. So divisor into quotient plus remainder, that equals to divisor minus x square plus 2 and quotient minus x square minus 2 plus minus of 5x plus 10. So minus x square into minus x square, x to power 4, minus x square into minus 2 plus 2x square, minus x square into 2 minus 2x square, 2 into minus 2 minus 4 minus 5x plus 10. So 2x square and 2x square plus minus cancel out. Now x to the power 4 minus 5x and 10 minus 4 plus 6, which is equals to our dividend, and our answer is correct. Now the next question, check whether the divisor t square minus 3 is a factor of the dividend 2t to power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. Both the given dividend and divisor are already in the standard form. As in the previous class 9th, you have studied about the factor theorem, that when we divide the dividend with the divisor, the remainder must be equal to, if remainder comes equals to 0, then we can say that by factor theorem that divisor is a factor of the dividend, and if remainder does not come equals to 0, then by factor theorem we can state that the divisor is not a factor of the given dividend. So let us see by dividing. Now let's start our division. 2t to the power 4 upon t square, which gives us 2t square, 2t square, 2t to the power 4 minus 6t square, subtract, sign change, 3t cube plus 4t square minus 9t minus 12, 3t cube, now the first term of the dividend, and here divide by t square, it becomes 3t. So second term will become plus 3t, 3t into t square, 3t cube, 3t into minus 3, that will become minus 9t. So minus plus, this cancel out. Now left out with 4t square minus 12, 4t square upon t square. Third term will be 4 and 4 into t square, 4t square, 4 into minus 3 minus 12. Change the sign and now the remainder comes equals to 0. Since the remainder is equals to 0, which implies by factor theorem that g of x is a factor, g of t is a factor of our dividend p of t. That's all. So in the same way, you can solve the exercise 2.3, question number 1 and question number 2. There are three questions each. I already explained you how to solve it, how to divide it, how to get the factor. If the remainder comes 0, it will be a factor. Divisor will be factor of a dividend. If the remainder is not equal to 0, then the divisor will not be a factor. So NCERT textbook question number 1 and question number 2 of the exercise 2.3, try to solve it.